Resincoat Epoxy Garage Floor Paint is our best-selling formula designed to give a professional finish with DIY-friendly application. It's important that before you begin painting, your surface has been sufficiently prepared and primed if necessary. Holes and cracks should be suitably repaired before painting. The smoothness of your finish will be dictated by the smoothness of your starting surface. Better preparation will give you better results. You will want to make sure the temperature of the floor is between 7 to 25 degrees Celsius. Too cold on your coating may not cure properly. Too warm and it may cure too quickly for you to work with. Start by setting out your products in a mixing area. You should protect this area using disposable plastic sheeting or cardboard. Resincoat Epoxy Garage Floor Paint is a two-part product, so make sure you will pair together your Part A's and Part B's. Once the activator has been added to your epoxy, your unit will have a limited pot life of 20 minutes. So it is important to only mix one unit at a time and pull in an extra pair of hands to help if required. Mixing should be done using an electric drill with paddle attachment set to a slow speed. Open your Part A tin and using the drill and paddle, stir thoroughly for 60 seconds. Now it's time to pour in your Part B and mix for a further 90 seconds. Keep the paddle submerged in the mixture to avoid mixing air into the unit. Once mixed, immediately start applying to the surface. You should cut in first by creating even lines around the edges of your floor. We recommend using a 2-inch paintbrush for this task. If working alone, we recommend a 1 kg unit for cutting in. If you're painting a larger area, you may wish to measure out and mark the area you expect to achieve with one unit by using painter's tape. A 5 kg unit will cover up to 20 square meters. Mix each unit using the same process and decant the mixture into a paint scuttle. Begin painting the floor using your roller. Try to spread the paint in a thin, even layer to give an even finish across your surface. Dependent on the porosity of your surface, your first coat may look a little patchy. Don't worry, this will be addressed with your second coat of paint. If you've used painter's tape, remember to remove this carefully before the coating has cured. Once the surface has been fully coated, allow the paint to cure. This normally takes approximately 12 hours when applying at 20 degrees Celsius. After the paint is touch dry, you can apply a second coat using the same method as the first. It's important that the second coat is applied within 24 hours of the first coat. Again, once fully coated, allow the system to fully cure for a further 12 to 16 hours. After this time, you will be able to walk on the floor and refill the contents of your garage. We recommend 48 hours before parking vehicles on the surface. Water and other liquids should not be introduced onto the newly laid coating for 7 days, after which a full chemical cure will have been achieved. Your garage floor has now been transformed, creating a long-lasting, smooth and glossy finish. To complete the look, check out our Resincoat garage door paint and garage wall paint products. Links to these are in the description. All tools featured in this video are also listed in the description box. For more advice on Resincoat products, check out our videos on Resincoat primers and flooring preparation. Hit the subscribe button for more expert technical advice.